We got a 2025 Lincoln Nautilus key fob replacing the remote battery. So I'll show you how to open this up. So on the front side here, if you look towards the bottom, there's a button right here, side with the buttons. Push it, and then you can remove the door key. Okay. Turn it back over. And once we remove the door key, we're going to take this back panel off with a small flathead screwdriver and this slot right here. We're going to put the screwdriver in the slot like this, and we're going to pry it up. All right. You can go around and just take it off just like that. This is a really simple battery change in this car here. All right, so there's a slot right here that we can use the screwdriver to pull a battery out. It's going to be in there really good, so watch out. Battery size is a CR2450. I will have a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can pick up some of these batteries really cheap, so check that out if you need a battery. You can just pick one up at Walmart or something. But when you get your new one, you're going to slide it in the side like this, and it should lock in like that. You get the cover, and then we actually put the top in first because it has this little tab here. And then we just snap it on, and then the door key will go in and lock, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and be so kind to subscribe.